Hey, little guys. We're here to...
Jumpy little things. I'm worried if we chase them, they'll just run away.
We need to catch them all at once so we can bring them back safely to their mom. Maybe with a clade motion detecting trap?
Good thinking. Let's set it up right over...
I keep forgetting. No gear.
This is impossible. We've got no traps, no I spies, no clue bots, nothing but this old wilderness guidebook.
The guidebook?
I mean, what's a detective without their detective gear?
Sam.
That's like taking away a painter's paintbrush.
Sam.
Or a piano player's pick.
Sam, look at this. We can make our own trap to catch the baby rabbits.
Do you think we can actually build that?
It's worth a try. Come on.
Hey, not bad. This book's all right.
Let's just hope our trap works.
Here they come, all three of them.
Come on. Just a little further. Don't those berries look nice and yummy?
Oh no!
After them!
Get back here!
How did they climb up there?
Amami rabbits have claws that let them climb pretty well.
We've got to get up there, fast! Aha!
Sam, now's not the time for arts and crafts.
I'm using vines to make a rope. Page 9 of the guidebook.
Hurry! Huh? Sam, the snake!
Uh-oh!
Sam, you get the rabbits. I'll deal with her.
I'm on it.
It says here mangoes are in season. And there's a mango tree. Aha!
Ha! Too slow! Bet you wish you had your clade claws.
Wait, how does she know about our clade claws?
Lunch is served.
Kid, do something!
Hey, snake! How about some tasty mangoes instead?
Mangoes? I don't eat mangoes. Ooh.
Phew!
It's okay, I've got you. 3 baby rabbits safe and sound.
Nice work, Sam. Mango?
Thanks. But we can't let our guard down yet. Where's that snake?
Right here, agents. Well done today.
Huh?
I wasn't sure how you would do without all your gear, but you really learned a lot from the Clade Wilderness Guidebook.
Huh? Where'd you get that clade hat?
From Director Scratch, of course. I'm undercover agent Slithers.
You're a clade agent?
Yep, I was pretending to be a hungry predator as part of your wilderness training, and I'd say you passed. See you back at HQ.
Nice to meet you?
Bye?
My babies! Thank you so much for bringing them home. It can't have been easy.
It was our pleasure. We actually learned a lot today.
Yeah, when we use our brains and work together, we don't need any fancy detective gear. Another creature case closed.